Here we have another question that describes how normal distributions are used in packaging and quality control for items that have a certain lifespan. We are once again told that we're looking at a particular model of light bulb that has a mean lifespan of 1600 hours with a standard deviation of 300 hours. And let's see, what are we asked? The manufacturer lists the expected life of the bulb as 1,000 hours. We can already see that that's quite a bit less than what the mean is. And in a bit, we'll discuss why the manufacturer might be interested in doing that. The question then is, if you buy one of those bulbs, find the probability that the manufacturer's claim will be true. Once again, the empirical rule diagram will come in handy, and once again, we know that we have 1600 hours, the mean right here in the middle, and 1,000 hours is exactly 2 standard deviations below the mean. So the percentage of the area to the right of 1,000 here is going to be, well, we can actually be a little bit clever about this. To the left, we have 2.2 plus 0.1, so to the left of 1,000 hours. So the area less than 1,000 is 2.3% of the total area. So the area greater than 1,000 is going to be the difference between 100% and that, which is 97.7%. So, of all the light bulbs that are manufactured, we would expect 97.7% of them, or 97.7 out of 100, to have a lifespan of over 1,000 hours, which tells us that the probability we're interested in is 0.977, because we know that probability is just percent chance in decimal form. Now this explains why the manufacturer would say something like the expected life is 1,000 hours when they know that it should be quite a bit more than that. No customer is going to be unhappy if they buy a bulb that's advertised as 1,000 hours and it lasts for 1,600. But a lot of people are going to be unhappy if they buy a bulb that's supposed to last for 1,600 and it lasts for, say, 1,200. So they're making sure that the vast majority of all the bulbs that they sell will meet or exceed the standard that's listed on the package.